Sustaffor project, bridging effectiveness and sustainability in afforestation and reforestation in a climate change context. New technologies for improving soil features and plant performance. The aim of the project is to develop and test novel techniques for improving tree planting projects from environmental, technical and economic points of view by mitigating the negative effect of drought and competing vegetation. These new techniques are effective and environmentally friendly and reduce the overall costs of tending operation. There were two types of techniques developed during the project. The first was an innovative soil conditioner. This product improves soil water retention capacity and fertility at microsite level, thus improving tree water status. This innovative technique allows trees to acclimatise to harsh conditions, especially when limited by light, poor soils and by severe water deficit. It is easily applied at the moment of planting, having a sustained effect during the first years. The second type of technique consists of 3 different ground covers, aimed at impeding the establishment of competing vegetation near the young tree, thus avoiding the negative effects of competition. This technique is applied in the moment of planting and avoids recurrent and often unsustainable interventions, such as mechanical or chemical weeding. It is especially effective in productive sites. New biopolymer-based ground cover, fused to a commercially available biofilm. This technique is fully biodegradable, based on renewable raw materials. New woven ute ground cover. This technique is made on natural fibres and is fully biodegradable. It is treated with bioresin for enhanced durability. New ground cover made on recycled rubber. It does not require fixation to the ground and it has a very long lifespan of 10 to 15 years. The effects of these innovative techniques on tree performance and soil variables are assessed in laboratory and field trials. The field testing consisted of a network of 8 trials located in 4 bioclimates in northeast Spain. Semiarid, limited by drought and a light soil. Mediterranean continental, fertile areas with moderate drought. Mediterranean humid, fertile areas without water deficit. And Montane, limited by the sandy soil. In semi-arid conditions with light, poor soils and severe drought, the soil conditioner had a positive effect on tree growth and tree water status. The ground covers had a slight positive effect on tree growth and soil moisture. In Mediterranean continental conditions, on a productive site, the soil conditioner did not have a marked effect. However, weeding and mulching techniques notably increased root and aerial growth compared to unweeded trees. Similarly, in a more productive site in Mediterranean humid conditions, the soil conditioner did not have a marked effect, while weeding and mulching increased tree growth significantly. Finally, in montane conditions, limited by poor, light soils, both soil conditioning and mulching had a general positive effect on tree growth. The main conclusions of the project are: first, the new soil conditioner successfully enhanced growing conditions in areas limited by poor, light soils, especially when water availability was limited. Second, the new ground covers proved to be an effective measure for increasing tree growth in most sites, especially the most productive sites. The new ground covers represent an alternative to chemical and mechanical weeding and to plastic mulching. Third, biodegradable ground covers are particularly useful for tree plantation subject to minimal management schemes. Fourth, the long durability of the new recycled rubber mulch makes it particularly useful for urban landscaping and gardening. Sustaffor Consortium is composed of 10 partners, including small and medium-sized enterprises and research centres from 4 European countries. More information at www.sustaffor.eu.